So welcome back to the BSN channel, also known as the Black Star Name channel. Just doing a vlog. This time it's not about fufu. I know this is usually fufu.
I want my fufu to be shown.
I love fufu. Yeah, my mom's making a benkwai, but we've done so many benkwai videos.
Yeah, this one is different now. I want it to be shown a bit, not all.
So yeah, I'm just gonna be talking about Kenkey and showing the Kenkey that I'm eating, and the ones that I don't like. So let's show the one that I don't like. And I'm not trying to bash it off, but there's certain ones where there's one called Ghana's Best, and the name itself is quite annoying because, well, it's not Ghana's Best. So let's see what it looks like. Okay, so here we go. Ghana Best. As you can already see, we've already opened this packet. This is what it's looking like. Stiff.
Alright.
Now, the thing is about this, yeah, the texture is okay, but the taste is non-existent. Like, I don't really like buying this one. I like buying the, is it the Aflao one? And the Labadi one. That's the nice. We don't have that one today. We've got Ghana's Best, which I don't know why they call it Ghana Best, because it's not. But the texture is nice. It's got a nice texture. You can see it. It's nice. Yeah, the texture is okay. It's just the taste is non-existent. Now this is the other Kenkey we bought. Okay, so this is a nameless Kenkey. There's no name or anything. So you can see here.
Did you take it out?
It's a bit dry. Sorry?
Did you see? I mean, the gat cake?
Yeah, I took it out. Now this one is quite dry because I believe they've probably mixed rice, ground rice in there, or some type of starch in there that isn't corn. I don't have a problem with that. Well, yeah, I do have a slight problem with that because it's not moist. The texture's all wrong. And the more annoying thing is, with this one, the taste is nice. Like, it's got a nice taste, but it's watered down with whatever they added to it. Now, they won't, a lot of places, they won't admit that they've added, you know, it doesn't give them money telling the truth. But, hey, it's just not the one I'll get. Like, the one I would get, I'll either get the Intel, which is basically over here, which is the fancy Kenkey. Where did we get this from again?
From Ghana shop, isn't it?
Yeah, what location?
Kilburn area.
Alright, so we got this from Kilburn. There's a lot of places that do fancy Kenkey. It's usually wrapped up in green leaves or brownish green leaves.
Intel.
And this is the best one I've had so far. Usually we buy it in South London, and it is good, but you have to see the bitterness, and this is bitter. It's good. I like it. Gat Kenkey is meant to be sour, and this one's quite sour. It has, but the texture's not there. It's just, you can tell there's starch put in there. So I'm actually gonna eat fancy Kenkey. You know, I love fancy Kenkey. I love all the Kenkey. I got me some turkey tail family pack. Funny enough, the Gat Kenkey that I like, thank you. The Gat Kenkey that I like comes from this company. I'm pretty sure it's Labadi Kitchens, right? Let me see the address. Yeah, that's the same address. Labadi Kitchens.
Of what? This one?
Yeah, it's the same. The Gat Kenkey that we like actually comes from this same company, Labadi Kitchens. We don't have it. We don't have that Kenkey on us right now. We're actually going to be eating.
So where's your shooter then?
I'll prepare that myself. We've got a nice mix in here, which if I can open this. What we have here is pepper, tomato, onion, and anchovy grinded together. Yeah, that's what my mom calls anchovy. Nice. Bracam. Brat to the cam, that's what I'm telling you. So yeah, yeah, thank you. And my mom's taking the other half.
I want an ice Kenkey.
I'm not gonna lie, I do like ice Kenkey with the fancy one. I'm not a big fan of the Gant one. It's a bit too sweet for me. I like the bitterness from the fancy Kenkey mixed with the milk. It's nice. But most people like the Gat Kenkey to make ice Kenkey.
No, it's too salty.
Yeah, but a lot of people like using the Gat Kenkey.
Not really. Not really.
Alright, the people I know like using Gat Kenkey. They don't like the
They don't
fancy.
have a clue. I'm telling you.
Okay.
Ice Kenkey is supposed to be Infante Kenkey, which is Entel, not Gat Kenkey.
No, I'll take your word for it. I'm not gonna argue with my mum. I don't.
Yeah.
I'll take your word for it. Anyways, I'll be taking some of this red sauce and the shit I've got. Smart Foods. Before I never used to use this one, but I really like this one. This is nice. The one that I used to use before. This one. It's still nice, don't get me wrong, but this one has like an extra fish taste. A very deep, fishy taste. It takes you on a journey, that's what I can say. So yeah, I'm going to prepare this and yam this down. Obviously, I like to heat this up for like a minute or two. Let me show you the turkey tails looking at.
You inside in with it?
Pacho Derby.
Oh, take it.
Yeah, I'm not. I mean, I don't know.
Yeah.
I'll take one sardine, but I can't finish the whole package.
No, don't bother them.
Okay, so this is the choffee. It's not easy to get because obviously, I mean, it's not nice killing all turkeys just for their tail. So it's not easy to get turkey tail all the time. Isn't that right, Mum?
Turkey is meat, white meat, so they kill a lot.
Yes.
So,
Trust me, I like getting this thing going on. Like, especially in the crowd, yeah, where you got the woman with the what do you call it? The fried plant, no, the fried yam.
you mean Kumasi fruit?
Oh yeah, you can find them in Kumasi. And then they'll have choffee in there.
And cocoa outside. And you know.
Well, when I was waiting for VIP to take to Kumasi from Circle, you would have these women walking about with like a see-through box on their head, and yeah, I'll get a couple choffee, a bit of fried yam, some shiitake. Trust me.
You're saying and
Trust me.
you're in your element.
Serious. Me and my cousins just yamming it down. So yeah, I'm gonna prepare this and eat this swiftly. Peace. Alright, so here we have the preparation of my fancy Kenkey. And as you see here, there's quite a lot of sauce, and my mum's not happy about that. Especially this sauce right here, she's not very happy. She said you have to finish it all. She doesn't think I can with the, Tuesday. But the thing is, I have to by force, I don't have a choice. So even if I finish the fancy Kenkey, I'm gonna have to just force whatever's remaining in my mouth, you know. So, are you laughing?
Son, don't kill yourself.
No.
If you don't finish, I won't kill you. I'm making it sad.
I don't want any. What's the word in Tokwa? Yeah, I don't want any of that. So I will finish it, Mum. Whether it's enough for the choffee and the fancy dokunu, I will finish you.
And I bet you this name. It'll be wonderful.
Oh yeah. I wouldn't show myself eating this yet, but I already have a video of me.
I haven't seen you eating Kenkey.
No, I have a video already of me eating fancy Kenkey.
Have you?
Yeah. I'm just showing people what I do to prepare for this. And the shito that I like to use, the Kenkey that I like to use. And the Kenkey you shouldn't use. So don't buy Ghana Best. You can if you want to. I don't want to ruin businesses and stuff like that, but that's you know, we have to force companies to change their quality, because you can't be fooling the people saying, "Oh, Ghana best," but I can't even taste anything. You know, you might as well have ground rice with no salt. You know. So I hope you enjoyed. It wasn't too boring or too long. If you liked the video, please like. If you didn't like, feel free to dislike. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Good luck to the non-believers, and God bless to the believers. As always, peace out.